Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Nalini Chhetri. I have been with Arizona State University for almost 20 years now, and I am faculty with the School of Sustainability, but also in the School for the Future of Innovation in Society. That's a little bit long to remember, but we are all in the College of Global Futures. So I consider myself an interdisciplinary scholar, and as one of the most senior faculty, my research and my interest and my teaching has evolved over the years. So before I became an academic, that's what we call professors here, I used to work with an international nonprofit on sustainable development. So that was all about, this was in the late 80s, early 90s, before many of you were born, thinking about how do we really look at the well-being of humans, of environment, of all living creatures. So I worked on many things, on energy, on water, on health, on women's rights, and things like that. When I came into academia, my research interests in sustainability continued, but in a little bit different ways. So currently, I work around the world and also in Arizona. In Arizona, I work currently around issues of urban sustainability. So in the city of Phoenix, for example, with 30 plus cities, we work on issues, we work with these communities in the cities, Tempe, Chandler, Mesa, Gilbert, Florence, Tucson, Flagstaff. We talk about, all right, how do we make our cities more sustainable in transportation, in energy, in wastewater? So I engage students, the cities, and also our initiatives here at ASU and in the College of Global Futures called Project Cities, also called Sustainable Cities Network. And we work with the communities, which we call in the cities, what are the issues? Now, the cities really want to do sustainability, but sometimes they don't have the bandwidth for doing research or devoting time and staff to do those, investigate a little about sustainable issues that is very important to their own communities. That's where students come in. So students get the question, we do the research together, we go back to the community, is this what you want? And in the end of the semester, we produce reports, infographics, presentations, we go to the council, all around these complex issues of urban sustainability. So that's one thing we do. The other thing that I'm doing around the world is around this idea of solar-powered irrigation systems in poorer communities with lower income who don't have electric grid coming into their communities. Can they use what we call distributed systems, solar, and mini grids, to generate power so that they can draw water from underground to irrigate their fields? And so students come in during study abroads. We have actually used the students to install these solar panels. We work with the communities, the municipalities, the private industries, the universities. It's quite an operation to see if we can install it with the communities, and then we monitor, do the research afterwards to see what are the challenges of the solar panels, the issues with the solar panels in maintenance, in operations. Can we do research? Has it really improved the lives of people? Those kind of things. So as we really think about what we do, I try to incorporate that research also into my teaching. So currently I'm teaching a class in sustainability called Basic Sciences of Energy, right? So we talk about, you really need to know the science behind energy before you can really think about solutions. You have to have a fundamental understanding of what it means, what it is, the baseline, the foundations. And that's what I teach at my undergrad level. I also teach technology and development at the master's level, and also I teach research design at the PhD level. So all of these are indirectly and directly connected with the idea of sustainability and sustainable development. And I hope that this gets you interested about the things we do, because sustainability and sustainable development is both a local a national and a global issue. And it is not only that, but it's highly, highly interconnected. It's very complex. So we need to have people of different abilities, different perspectives, different way of thinking, different skills come together and really be more open-minded about how to look at these. So climate change is one of the sustainable issues. Decarbonizing our economy is another. But equity and justice, how do we make sure we draw everybody in so that everybody benefits from these technological advances? That's the another way of thinking about it. So thinking about how we make it inclusive and how we make it successful, how, given the diversity of these elements, is really important in how we think about sustainable development and sustainability. And I hope you can join us in this journey as we try to advance and enhance how we think of the world and how we think about communities. Thank you.